Hi, everybody. It's Christopher with CNEN, or Crypto News Entertainment Network, and here is your crypto news for today. Before we jump in, just please remember that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before performing any financial or activities. Moving on. So, for the market overview, the cryptocurrency market experienced a significant downturn over the last day, with total market capitalization dropping approximately 3.87% to $3.75 trillion. Bitcoin fell below 110,000, trading around 109 to 111,000, marking a roughly 3% decline. Ethereum and XRP also saw sharp drops. ETH's down about 13%, and XRP is declining by 5. Um, Overall liquidations exceeded 500 million, primarily affecting long positions amid broader market volatility and fears of red September. The CoinDesk 20 index fell over 3.5%, with the most major assets in the red. Analysts note a clash between whale accumulation and retail panic, but some predict a Bitcoin rebound toward 116,000 if key support holds. My goodness. So stablecoin activity is providing a counterpoint, with the total market cap surpassing $280 billion for the first time, a new all-time high. That's pretty crazy. So that's helping support keeping everything up. The US government has made some crazy strides in blockchain integration. The Department of Commerce partnered with Chainlink to bring macroeconomic data, including the Q2 GDP data, on chain across 9 different blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. This enhances transparency for DeFi applications. Pith Network was also competed in this space, gaining nearly 84% amid US backing. The CFTC issued updated guidance, potentially allowing US citizens to trade on foreign exchanges like Binance. Crazy, cool, insane. Binance will be happy about that. In Asia, Japan plans its first yen-pegged stablecoin, signaling a significant digital finance shift. Ooh, Japan is getting into the stablecoins. Exciting, exciting. Eric Trump promoted American Bitcoin in Hong Kong, emphasizing the Trump's family support for the crypto community. Um, so some project and ecosystem updates. Ethereum staking is up, and ETF inflows are up, outperforming Bitcoin in ETFs. 307 million versus 81 for Bitcoin. BlackRock is starting to challenge Coinbase's Ethereum dominance, so BlackRock is definitely in the Ethereum game these days. Solana's DeFi total value locked hit a new all-time high of $11.76 billion. Sol futures continue to surge in popularity. Crow surged 150% at one point after Trump media's treasury announcement, um, going for a MicroStrategy-esque digital asset treasury from the sounds of it, but going with Kronos network rather than Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then also integrating it into their Truth Social platform and Truth Plus platforms. So it's not only being used by the Trump Media Corporation as a treasury fund, it's also being used as a rewards token through their platforms, which is quite exciting. We haven't seen too much of that in the crypto field of cryptocurrencies being used on maybe not traditional platform. I don't know how traditional it is, but in a sense, yeah, exciting. Av launched a real-world asset market on Horizon on Ethereum. That's exciting. Google launched its neutral L1 chain. Don't have much to say about that. Circle linked USDC to MasterCard and Finstra. Yeah, Circle is making all types of partnerships and connections. It is insane. Kraken engaged with the SEC on tokenization. VersaBank has now piloted tokenized deposits on ETH, Algorand, and Stellar. Outlook on the market: despite the dip, institutional signals remain quite bullish. ETF inflows, government blockchain adoption, and liquidity injections suggest resilience in the market. Altcoins like Link, Pith, and Crow showed gains amid the red. Please remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. And yeah, don't take my word to go and invest in anything. Do your own research, please. Traders eye U.S. inflation data and rate cuts for potential recovery, with some forecasting Bitcoin at 116,000. Watch for altcoin breakouts and stable growth as indicators recover. That's it. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Otherwise, like, comment. Toodles.